Well, this entire week we are participating in a food science camp that is focused on art, food, and science as a tool to transform generational health in our community. And so this week we are showing our wonderful campers here and budding food scientists what food science is, how to play with their food, how to make their own pickles. Show them your pickles, you guys. And just having fun in the classroom with food as a focus.
At this camp, I've learned how to pickle my own vegetables, and also I've learned different categories and different ways that I can look at food and how the food tastes.
I've learned how to eat better, but not only that, but also how impactful the work that somebody goes into food and how much they put their self into it, and now I can enjoy more things by being able to do more processes and understand what's really happening behind the scenes.
About Miss Allie, the food scientist, she also taught us many things on how food is developed during the history of ice cream, and I want to say she was a great instructor for all of us in the classroom.
Her personality really just helps to make it more fun, and she's patient and she's very, very kind, and she really helped me understand more about food science as well.
You know, I hope each student here takes away a new appetite for learning, a new desire to try new foods, and to create their own food or food product or food solution in order to impact their community in their own way.
Greatness grows here.